Setting up a project is done in the document management module. The first step is to create a profile that includes a variety of information about the project, including name, location, construction type, cost, as well as start and end date. Here, you can also add a thumbnail of the project so that team members can quickly identify which project they are contributing to. Finally, you'll need to activate the modules that this project will support. In this example, this project will provide document management services, meaning that anyone with access to this project can review models and sheets, as well as design collaboration, meaning that designers can collaborate on Revit models in real time using the work sharing feature, as well as communicate updates to the projects so that other teams can see how these changes impact their designs. After the modules have been activated, you can create the project folder structure, which will house the data for those that are leveraging the document management and design collaboration modules.